Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We are back with the Polaris Quattro Sport Tune-Up Kit. I want to show you guys what comes in the box. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today I've got Polaris's Quattro Sport Tune-Up Kit. So you guys will want to use this for any of your major repairs on your Quattro. It's really nice, save you guys actually some money on buying all the individual parts. So I just want to open this up and show you guys all those pieces and those wearables that come included. So give me one sec. All right, so part number on this, you're looking at R0995-100. Again, we'll have a link down in the description for you guys with a direct link to purchase all this on the website so you guys can check it out. Super popular cleaner. This is a pressure cleaner, so it is different than the suction cleaners out in the market, but definitely a really good quality cleaner. So highly recommend that when you guys are looking to repair it, make sure you guys just buy the tune-up kit. It's going to save you a lot of time. Again, very similar to replacing parts on your car. It's smarter to do it all at once than to do it one piece at a time, just to make sure that you know you get everything back up to working condition. So some heavy duty cardboard in here though, and get through here. I'm not joking this thing. Grab this. Haha. That's why you gotta protect the gearbox. All right, I'm gonna get else in here. I'm going to set this down because it looks like a lot of this I may be able to slide out for you guys. So it's no joke. They want to make sure this thing is made for shipping, so it's nice. Come ePoolSupply.com. Come get it. All right, so this off to the side, and we'll rifle through that after I go through it. So obviously you got your side axles here, so they give you 4 axles, which is really nice to get everything back up on all 4 of your major wheels of the cleaner. They do have your little white cap bearings in here as well, and then it does look like they have 2 of the blocks on the bottom to help direct that pressure. So again, a lot of wearables are what are in these tune-up kits. You're not going to get every piece of the cleaner, but it does give you a lot of those wearable items that are something that you do need to replace every couple seasons. So put that bag off, and then of course they give you a full bag of all your major bearings. It looks like you get 3, 6, you get 8 bearings here. These are the notorious Polaris ball bearings. So again, we'll have a link down in the description so you guys can actually go get all the individual part numbers if you know you just need one thing, but it'll be really nice if you guys get the entire tune-up kit. Like I said, keep the extras for later. So, and then of course you've got your notorious gearbox on that Quattro Sport, a full stainless steel gear spindle here. Super heavy duty. So definitely recommend making sure you guys buy OEM with these items just to make sure that this cleaner will stay up when you're spending $1,200-$1,300, sometimes $1,500-$1,600 on a cleaner. You really want to make sure you guys are sticking with OEM to make sure that that cleaner runs the way it's supposed to. Plus, you want to make sure you keep that warranty if you have the option to. So, all right, let me get into this, tear apart this. Again, great packaging. Definitely impressed by the packaging of this. It's going to be fun watching me try to put this back in later. But all right, so now you got your side pieces. Again, if you guys want to know more about entirely tearing apart the cleaner to get access to a lot of these, we do have videos. Make sure you guys check out the channel on getting in and actually repairing a lot of these pieces. I just want to show you guys what comes included in this. So if you want to know how to repair it, make sure you guys go check out all the other videos on the channel. So, and of course you got your major drive shaft here. This is one of the most wearable parts in the cleaner just because there are a lot of gears that do make a lot of connections as this thing is moving around. So we do have, again, all of these items individual, but highly recommend when you're getting this, this is one of your most important parts to make sure you guys replace on top of replacing that gearbox that actually drives it. So you want to make sure that you do that. They do give you a nice little set of instructions here on how to get access to all of the items that are included and showing you what parts go with what. But again, we've got videos for you guys, so make sure you guys go check those out. And then of course you get the, I'll flip this over. You get the actual cyclonic turbines on here. So you don't actually have the, similar to the MX-8 Elite where you have the actual pieces on the bottom that will actually scrub like your cyclonic scrubbers. You're not going to get that, but they do give you this cyclonic turbine. So you get both of them for the bottom. This is prime on what's helping push that debris in and actually using the cleaner to its full ability. So again, wearable parts. This is like a rubber. So over time, as this rubs against the bottom of the pool floor, it does wear. So even though you might look at it and say, hey, these look fine, when you buy the whole kit, it would be smart to do it. Keep your other ones just for extra in the rare case that you need a swap just to keep the cleaner moving. But highly recommend doing all of this at once just to make sure that you guys can get that thing operating the way that it should. So they provide you with both for each side. So that's both of those actual turbines. So you get all those on top of the actual shaft. Your other 2 roller bars, you get your axles, your bearings, and your gear kit. Super important. A lot of wearable parts. A huge tune-up kit, which is really cool. Again, especially spending that kind of money on a cleaner, you definitely want to make sure that you guys are keeping it up and running. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.